All right, everybody, welcome back to Hughes Garage. Today I got Rambo's 5.0. We're going to be putting a rough country cold air intake on it. It was very affordable. Price wasn't bad at all. Probably one of the cheapest on the market, but I've seen good things about it. So we're going to get it installed and try it out. Okay, everything's unboxed. Got the filter, some clamps, some weather stripping, you know, all the usual stuff that comes with this type of stuff. It is one of the cold air intakes that only come with the top part of the airbox instead of the bottom, because if you look on the factory, it comes with the little air scoop, I think is what they call it. So you really only need that unless you want to go crazy with it. This is the rough country one, like I said, and it looks pretty good. If you look here, it's actually a gray instead of the black that it's usually painted. I think that's pretty cool. It's a little different. Not bad at all. All right, the first step, you're gonna pull this off. Back there's this clamp. You're gonna use a flat head to push it up on the bottom so you can't see it, but it'll bring that black part up some, and then it pulls right off. Then you got this one. It has a little tab. You're gonna pull the tab, pops right off. So we're gonna do this one. Okay, get that off. There, that pulls right off that. And then this one, there's a little tab in the back. That pulls right off. Next, you're gonna take a 7mm socket and loosen up this clamp right here. Once you do that, you're gonna come over here to the throttle body, to this bolt right here, and do the same thing. Once you got that undone, take these clamps off. This whole box will come off. Take your old filter out. Once you got that done, you're gonna come over on this side of the truck. You got that undone already. You're gonna pull that whole airbox off. Just be cautious of this line right here. Just like that. Now you're going to come back over here to your work table. 9.5 inches on this rubber gasket. You're going to cut it, and then it's going to go on your air box right here where the flange is out. We'll get it installed. All right, next you're going to take your filter adapter and the 2 supplied screws and put it onto the new air box. We're going to put that through and then line up the screw holes. Put them both in. The heads on these screws are Allen bits. I'm not sure the exact size, but usually everybody's always got a couple Allen bits laying around. Next, you're going to put the supplied weather stripping on top of the airbox. It's going to go right around there. Just a heads up, guys, you probably will have to trim it down some. They give you a little bit more than what's needed. Next, you're going to put your filter on the filter adapter and tighten it down. Next, you're going to get your throttle body adapter and your 2 clamps. Put the clamps on there, not tightened or anything. You're going to put it on your throttle body, tighten 1 clamp down closest to the throttle body, and then we'll go from there. Next, you're going to put your new air intake box onto the lower part of the stock box. There's clamps on the front. There's also little slots, slides right on. There's a clamp there and a clamp right there. The next step, you're going to take your intake tube, the new one. This side attaches to the throttle body adapter. This side goes to the filter adapter. Tighten this side down. Then you're going to go over here, tighten these 2 down. Last thing you're going to do is reattach these 2 hoses. After that, the install will be complete. All right, we got everything installed. Let's see how she sounds.